Are you a Java developer drowning in endless boilerplate code and debugging nightmares, feeling the pressure of complex tasks? The clock is ticking, deadlines loom, and you're stuck in a loop of repetitive work. It's a common struggle in the fast-paced tech world. What if there was a way to transform your workflow, to turn those frustrations into triumphs? Imagine a partner that understands your code, a coworker that helps you write cleaner code, debug faster, and innovate more freely. Get ready to meet your new intelligent assistant. Introducing Claude AI, the game changer for Java developers. It's not just a tool, it's an intelligent coworker agent designed to elevate your productivity. Watch as Claude seamlessly integrates into your integrated development environment, becoming an extension of your thought process. From suggesting code snippets to automating repetitive tasks, Claude is here to streamline your development process like never before. Imagine the time saved, the errors avoided, and the innovation unlocked. Claude AI is your partner in crafting exceptional Java applications. Let's dive into how you can integrate Claude AI into your Java workflow. First, setting up Claude is surprisingly straightforward. We'll cover basic AP integration and configuration, ensuring Claude is ready to assist you in minutes. It's designed for quick adoption. Next, let's explore Claude's code generation capabilities. Simply type a comment describing your intent, and watch the magic unfold. Claude instantly generates relevant code snippets, saving you valuable time and reducing manual effort. It's like having an expert pair programmer. The generated code is highlighted, making it easy to review and integrate into your project. This accelerates development cycles significantly. Debugging can be a time-consuming ordeal, but with Claude, identifying and resolving errors becomes a much smoother process. Claude intelligently analyzes your code, pinpoints the issues, and suggests precise fixes, guiding you to a solution efficiently. With Claude's assistance, you can spend less time debugging and more time building innovative features. It's a true productivity booster. Refactoring existing code for better performance or readability is crucial. Claude can propose intelligent improvements to your codebase. It offers alternative structures and optimizations, helping you maintain a clean and efficient project. This ensures long-term code health. Embrace the power of AI to continuously enhance your code quality. Claude makes complex refactoring tasks manageable and efficient. Mastering Claude AI means mastering prompt engineering. The quality of your prompts directly impacts the quality of Claude's responses. Let's look at an example. Implementing a complex feature, a well-crafted prompt can guide Claude to generate the perfect structure. Claude can outline the entire architecture, suggesting classes, interfaces, and even database schemas. It's a powerful starting point. Another powerful use case is code review and optimization. Prompt Claude to analyze your code for performance bottlenecks. Claude will provide insightful suggestions, helping you fine-tune your application for maximum efficiency. It's like having a senior architect. Documentation is often overlooked, but vital. Claude can generate comprehensive Java doc for your classes and methods instantly. This ensures your codebase is well documented, making it easier for team members to understand and maintain. A huge time saver. Remember to be clear, concise, and provide context in your prompts. The more information you give, the better Claude's output will be. By mastering prompt engineering, you unlock the full potential of Claude AI, transforming it into an indispensable part of your toolkit. Let's explore the real-world impact of Claude AI. Our developer is now working efficiently and happily, side by side with Claude. Advanced use cases include generating comprehensive test cases, drastically reducing boilerplate code, and even learning new apps. Claude can quickly provide examples and explanations, accelerating your learning curve and keeping you ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Integrating AI into your development team requires best practices. Maintain human oversight and review Claude suggestions critically. Ethical considerations are paramount. Ensure data privacy and security, and use AI responsibly to augment, not replace, human creativity. By following these guidelines, you can harness the full power of AI while maintaining control and ensuring high-quality outcomes. The future of Java development is intertwined with AI. We're entering an era of unprecedented collaboration between humans and intelligent systems. Imagine complex systems being built effortlessly, with AI handling the repetitive, mundane tasks, freeing developers for creative problem-solving. Developers who embrace AI tools like Claude will not only stay ahead but will also redefine what's possible in software engineering. The potential for innovation is limitless. Are you ready to be part of this exciting evolution? The journey starts now. Start your journey with Claude AI today. Check the description below for resources and links to get started. What's the most challenging coding task you delegate to an AI coworker? Share your thoughts in the comments below.